Mathematics at the Wausau Engineering and Global Leadership Academy is a bit different than what you are probably used to in a traditional school setting. Math is done on a computer at EGL, using a program known as Assessment Learning in Knowledge Spaces, commonly shortened to ALEKS. ALEKS Math is based around mastery of various math topics, not just completion. In a typical school setting, math is completed at a set pace and based on homework assigned. At EGL, students instead progress through the class at their own pace. By progressing through this class at their own pace, students are given the opportunity to truly master the topics and gain deeper comprehension about each subject.
We use ALEKS for Math, which is a mastery level based program. It's looking for students to master topics before they can move on.
ALEKS Math is based around a pie chart. The chart is separated into several pieces. Each piece contains several topics pertaining to a specific subject in the overall class. These pieces must all be completed in order to finish the class. Pieces can be completed at the student's own pace and in any order that the student decides. These pieces all combine to form the same class that would be taught in a traditional setting, but delivered in a more comprehensive way. As the student learns and completes topics, they will move forward by percentage. Once the student reaches 100%, they have completed the equivalent of a year-long math class, even if it did not take them that long to complete it. This allows students who excel at mathematics to gain much more knowledge of math by being able to move forward without being held up by the pace of the class. This also lets students who do not excel as much at math to take more time to really comprehend the class and the subjects.
We want our students to master all of the topics in a given course within one calendar year is our goal. We've had students that have been able to complete them quicker, some students a little bit slower, but that is a big part of our online learning.
As students progress through the class, ALEKS will automatically give them assessments. Assessments replace the standard tests that occur during a traditional math class. An assessment typically consists of about 20 to 25 topics and will test the student's comprehension on the topics they have completed. Assessments will also give the student math topics that they have not completed yet. This allows the student to really be at the right place in the class at all times. If the student gets the unlearned questions correct, those topics will be marked completed in the program, and they will move ahead in the class so that the student is learning new things at all times and not made to sit and do things they already know how to do. However, if a student gets any of the topics that they have learned already wrong, these topics will be unmarked as complete, and the student will need to relearn these topics. This makes sure the student really knows how to do the problem and does not fall behind later in the class.